ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा अनुपलब्धि प्रमाणम on page number 149. First line in the मूलम ननु भूतले घटो न इत्यादि अभाव अनुभव स्थले भूतलांशे प्रत्यक्षत्वम उभय सिद्धम। उभय, हाँ. Yesterday I explained anubhava siddham. It is ubhaya. Ubhaya siddham. Ubhaya means Nayayika and Vedanti. Nayayik also say Bhutala is Pratyaksha. Vedanti also says Bhutala is Pratyaksha. Veda is in Ghata Bhava. So this point is clear. Second, there are two questions. About Pishacha. Presence or absence. Pishacha Bhava and Pishacha Abhava. If they are not Pratyaksha, then because Pishacha Bhava is not Pratyaksha, Pishacha Atyanta Bhava cannot be Pratyaksha. But Pishacha Anyanya Bhava you can know. When it is said, Stambha Pishacho na. Stambha is not Pishacha. So that I can know. How do we know their presence or absence in our room? Why do you want to know? You cannot know their presence or absence through the indriyas that we have. Because our indriyas are not yogya for that. So can we know through yogaja pratyaksha? Not necessary. You can know through shabda pramana. Let's say somebody else can know it. That person says, Atra Pishacho Bhavati is Apta Purusha. You will have Shraddha. You say, yes. Atra Devata Asti. Shabda Pramana is good enough.
Pardon, Swamiji. So, how does the person knows? Because according to our Vedanta, 6 pramanas.
That person can be another Devata, but that person can also talk to you. That person can be Rishi. Somehow he may know. Like how in Mahabharata, etc., some Rishi will say, oh, Bhishma was Vasu earlier. They can know previous Janma. They have their own siddhis. We don't have to worry about that. If some Apta Purusha tells you, some Rishi comes to you and say, this is how it is. That is good enough. How did they know? They probably know through different means. Different means they must have heard through their some Shabda or some other Yoga Siddhi or whatever. We don't have to worry. If dashamastvamasi is pratyaksha prama, dashamastvamasi shabda pramanam gives pratyaksha prama. This is clear to everybody?
Yes.
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 Dashamastvamasi is shabda pramanam producing pratyaksha prama. Then tattvamasi is also like that. Yes. So this was said in the beginning itself. You read or listen to Vedanta Paribhasha discourses. According to Vedanta Paribhashakara, Tattvamasi Prama is Pratyaksha Prama, he says. It is not Shabda Prama. So I had mentioned at that time itself in Pratyaksha Prakarana. So somebody may think that it is Pratyaksha, and he has his reasons. Okay.
Yes, Swamiji.
Now see further. Page number 150. Nanu टीका. ननु प्रमाण भेदस्य फल भेदायतत्वात् कथं तम विना तस्य सिद्धिः इति आशंकते. प्रमाण भेदस्य फल भेद आयतत्वात्. सो प्रमाण भेद depends upon phala bheda. Katham tam vina tasya siddhihi. Tam and tasya. What is tam?
प्रमाणभेदं विना फलभेद आय.
प्रमाण भेदम विना फल भेद सिद्धि. It is the other way. Katham phala bhedam, because phala is same now. We said anupalabdhi is pramanam. Prama is pratyaksha. So Purvapaksha says, if phala bheda is not there, how do you say there are different praman bheda? Katham tam vina, phala bhedam vina, tasya praman bhedasya siddhi iti ashankate. See in Mulam, phala vaijatyam vina katham praman bheda. If phala bheda is not there, then how do you say praman bheda? Iti chet. टीका. प्रत्यक्षत्वेन फलस्य साजात्ये अपि भूतलाकार वृत्तेः इंद्रियजन्यत्व अभावात्. अभाव आकार वृत्तेः तद अजन्यत्वात् वृत्ति वैजात्य मात्रेण तदुपपत्तेर्मैवम् इत्याह. प्रत्यक्षत्वेन फलस्य साजात्ये अपि. Phalam is pratyaksham in both cases. In both cases means we saw earlier two cases. He said, Phalibhuta Jnana can be pratyaksha, but its karana need not be pratyaksha. दशमस्त्वमसि फलभूत ज्ञानम इज प्रत्यक्ष, बट करण इज शब्द. In the same way, घटा भाव, somebody will say, is pratyaksha, but its pramanam is anupalabdhi. So both are pratyaksha. Ghata bhava is also pratyaksha, pramana is anupalabdhi. Dashamastwamasi is pratyaksha, pramana is shabda. So Purvapakshi says, how phalam is same, but pramana is different. Katham phala vaijatyam vina pramana bheda iti. Tika says, pratyakshatvena phalasya sajatya, phalam is sajatiya. As pratyakshatvena sajatya. भूतलाकार वृत्ते इंद्रियजन्यत्व अभावात्, अभावाकार वृत्ते. भूतलाकार वृत्ते इंद्रियजन्यत्व, इंद्रियजन्यत्वात्, सॉरी, भूतलाकार वृत्ति इज इंद्रियजन्य, इज प्रत्यक्ष. सो इन केस ऑफ भूतल एंड घटा भाव, भूतल इज प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण, ज्ञानेन प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा. घटाभाव अनुपलब्धि प्रमाणेन प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा. सो भूतलकार वृत्ते इंद्रिय जन्यत्वात्, इट इज इंद्रिय प्रत्यक्ष. अभावाकार वृत्ति, घटाभावाकार वृत्ते तद अजन्यत्वात्, तत् मीन्स
Indriya.
इंद्रिय. इंद्रिय मीन्स वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष, इंद्रिय अजन्यत्वात्. और इट इज नॉट प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण जन्य. वृत्ति वैजात्य मात्रेण तदुपपत्तेर, वृत्ति वैजात्यम. सो दी प्रत्यक्षत्व is there in phalam, but the janyatva is different. One is indriya janya, one has indriya janyatvam, another does not have indriya janyatvam. Therefore the antakarana vritti has vaijatyam. Vaijatyam is not in the phalam. Antakarana vritti is different type. Tadupapatte. Therefore, pramana is considered different. Maiva mityaha na iti. Vritti vaijatya matrena pramana vaijatya upapatte. So vritti has vaijatyam. Therefore, pramana vaijatya is there. न इति फलितमाह. तथा च घटादि अभावाकार वृत्ति ही न इंद्रियजन्य. घटादि अभावाकार वृत्ति इज नॉट इंद्रियजन्य, इट इज अनुपलब्धि प्रमाणजन्य. इंद्रियस्य विषयेण असन्निकर्षात्, इंद्रिय विषय सन्निकर्ष इज नॉट देयर. किंतु घटानुपलब्धि रूप मानांतरजन्य, but it is घट अनुपलब्धि रूप मानांतर प्रमाणांतर जन्य. इति भवति अनुपलब्धेः मानांतरत्वम, and therefore अनुपलब्धि is considered as प्रमाणांतरत्वम. Further in टीका, वृत्ति वैजात्य मात्रेण प्रमाण वैजात्ये. So vritti has bheda. Vijatiyata means bheda, different type. It's not sajatiya. So therefore pramana is also different. Pramana vaijatye abhava bhrame dosham ashankate. In abhava bhrama there is dosha. Nanu in Mulam, See, he is entering into different kind of thought process. ननु अनुपलब्धि रूप मानांतर पक्षे अपि अभाव प्रतीतेः प्रत्यक्षत्वे घटवती घटाभाव भ्रमस्यापि प्रत्यक्षत्वापत्तौ अनुपलब्धि रूप मानांतर पक्षे. This paksha is taken by Siddhanti, that anupalabdhi rupa different pramana, but prama is pratyaksha. Manantar pakshe api abhava pratitehe. Let's say there is ghata bhava in bhutala. Abhava pratitehe pratyakshatve. Ghatavati ghata bhava brahmasyapi pratyakshatva apattau. So those who consider abhava pratiti, prama is pratyaksha, means Vedanti. And then ghatavati bhutale. Bhutale has ghata. Somewhere there is ghata. You ask that person, go and get the ghata. He gets the brahma of ghata bhava. Ghata bhava brahmasya. So that ghata bhava brahma will also become pratyaksha. Because according to Vedanti, ghata bhava is pratyaksha. Anupalabdhi pramana producing pratyaksha prama. So he says, what if it is pratyaksha brahma? If it is pratyaksha prama, brahma also will be pratyaksha. Ghata bhava brahmasyapi pratyakshatva apattau. Tatra api anirvachaniya ghata bhavo abhyupagamyeta. Then you will have to say there is anirvachaniya ghata bhava. Why anirvachaniya ghata bhava?
Because it is not certain Gata is there or not, Brahma is there. It is there and not seen.
Don't say it is not certain. It is there. Ghata is there, but I recognize Ghata bhava. This is called Bhranti. If it is Bhranti, it is Anirvachaniya. So, because Ghata bhava is Mithya, tatrapi Anirvachaniya Ghata bhava abhyupagamyeta. You will have to accept this as Anirvachaniya Ghata bhava. Tika. Tatra Anirvachaniya Ghata bhavo na abhyupagamyate. Ato na ukta dosha. Before that, Siddhanti says, okay, so if it is Anirvachaniya Ghata bhava, what is wrong? Robakshi says, Nacha Ishtapatti. You cannot say it is Anirvachaniya. So Vedanti will say whatever is Mithya is Anirvachaniya. He says it is not. You cannot say in this case that it is Anirvachaniya. Why? Tasya mayopadanakatve abhavatva anupapattehe. Anything which is Anirvachaniya, what is its upadanam?
Maya.
Maya. Maya upadanakatvam. What is the samasa?
Bahuvrihi.
What is the vigraha?
Maya upadanam yasya saha maya upadanam.
Kasya. Maya upadanam kasya.
अभावस्य
घटाभावस्य. So Ghatabhava, because it is mithya, anirvachaniya, it will have Maya Upadanam. Maya Upadanakatve abhavatva anupapatte. Purvapakshi says, anirvachaniya vastu will have Maya Upadanam only if it is neither Sat nor Asat nor Sadasat. How will Abhav have Maya as Upadana? This is called Mananam. Mananam, you see what kind of question he has raised? तस्य माया उपादानकत्वे अभावत्व अनुपपत्तेः. If it is having Maya as Upadanam, it will not be Abhava. Mayopadanakatva abhave Mayayaha, and on the other hand, this is second case. So if it is Maya Upadanam, then that thing cannot be Abhav Vastu. Because Abhav cannot have Maya Upadana. Purvapakshi is saying. And if it is not Maya Upadana, Maya Upadanakatva abhave, then Maya is not Sakala Karya Upadana. Maya yaha Sakala Karya Upadanatva Anupapatti. Then Maya cannot be Upadana Karanam for all. Therefore, when Maya Nivritti takes place, everything will not go. Only that which is Maya Upadanam will go. So, if you say Maya Upadanam is not there for Abhava, then some other Upadanam will be there. Then Maya Nivritti will not remove that Padartha. Iti chet. Siddhanti says, no. Ghatavati Ghatabhava Brahmo na tatkala utpanna Ghatabhava Vishayakaha. Siddhanti has one working arrangement answer first. He wants to satisfy the Purvapakshi's question. So he gives some answer. What is the answer? He says, there where there is Ghata, Ghatavati Bhutale, Ghata Bhava Brahma, if you get the Bhranti that there is Ghata Bhava, na tatkala utpanna Ghata Bhava Vishayakaha. That Ghata Bhava is not tatkala utpanna. Because when we say Anirvachani Vastu, means it is tatkala utpanna. In Rajju, when I have Sarpa Darshanam, when does the Sarpa Utpatti take place? Huh?
Pratiti Matra Sharira.
Pratiti Matra Sharira means it happens when you are experiencing. Tatkala Utpanna. Siddhanti says here, Ghata Bhava Brahma is not Tatkala Utpanna, Ghata Bhava Vishayakaha. Tika. Nanu evam tarhi katham Ghata Bhava Brahmasya Pratyakshatvam iti ashankate. Then how Ghata Bhava Brahma is Pratyaksha? He says, Kintu भूतल रूपादौ विद्यमानो लौकिको घटाभावो भूतले आरोप्यते इति अन्यथा ख्यातिरेव. भूतल रूपादौ विद्यमानो लौकिको घटाभाव. Somewhere there is ghata. Nearby there is ghatabhava. This person Chaitra who is seeing ghatabhava where there is ghata, what is happening for that person? Bhutala rupadau vidyamano, in the bhutala which is pratyaksha, there somewhere there is laukika ghatabhava. Laukika means vyavaharika. Vyavaharika ghatabhava is there. Bhutale aropyate. It is superimposed there, bhutale. Therefore, it is not anirvachaniya khyati, it is anyatha khyati. Who believes in anyatha khyati? Prabhakara और नैयायिका और
अन्यथा
शून्यवाद.
नैयायिका.
Anybody else? Any other answer? Nayayika is correct. Anyatha khyati is Nyaya Darshan. Prabhakar we already saw earlier, Akhyativada. Anyatha khyati reva. Those who are attending Advaita Siddhi also and Siddhanta Bindu also, which includes most of people here, you will realize here there is topic of Adhyasa. Advaita Siddhi, topic of Adhyasa. Siddhanta Bindu, topic of Adhyasa. And in Brahma Sutra, again it will come. So in all these texts, main focus is this only. This is where the problem, or this discussion on so many different points, so many different issues. And this requires sukshma thinking. भूतल रूपादौ विद्यमानो लौकिको घटाभाव भूतले आरोप्यत इति अन्यथा ख्याति रेव. आरोप्य सन्निकर्ष स्थले सर्वत्र अन्यथा ख्याति है एव व्यवस्थापन. When there is आरोप्य सन्निकर्ष, what is superimposed if that is sannikrishta. Sannikrishta sthala here means if it is in proximity, then it is anyatha khyati. Siddhanti says. Tika. तद विषयस्य सन्निहितत्वेन. See, sannikrishta. Sannihita means proximate. If the vishaya is sannihita, sannihitattvena tat sambhavat maivam bhutala iti adipadena kriyadi sangraha. So if the vishaya is sannihita, then Siddhanti says it is anyatha khyati. भूतल इति आदि पदेन क्रियादि संग्रह. भूतल रूपादौ और क्रिया, भूतल रूप, भूतल क्रिया, भूतले क्रिया, whatever, all of them here he says अन्यथा ख्याति. अपसिद्धांतम आशंक्य आह. Then somebody will say, what you are supposed to be anirvachaniyavadi. Now suddenly you are saying anyatha khyati. Apasiddhanta, you are doing khandanam of your own siddhanta. He says no. आरोप्य सन्निकर्ष स्थले सर्वत्र अन्यथा ख्याते है एवं व्यवस्थापन. आरोप्य सन्निकर्ष, where there is, it is अन्यथा ख्याति only everywhere. Then Siddhanti, see, now he gives mukhya samadhanam. Nanu. You see Tippani number 1. Previous page Tippani did we say? Previous page Tippani we saw. Here you see Tippani. Aropyasya sannikrishtatve anyatha khyati. See, Tippani is clear. Sannikrishta. Sannikrishta means proximate. Moolam said Sannikarsha. Sannikarsha Shabda is also used for Indriya Sannikarsha, etc. So Sannikrishta is precise Shabda. Aropya, if it is Sannikrishta, if it is proximate, Anyatha Khyati. Asannikrishtatve Anirvachana Khyati. Iti Khyati Dvaya Apekshaya. This is Gaurava. Somewhere you say Anyatha Khyati, somewhere you say Anirvachaniya Khyati. Khyati Dvaya Apekshaya. Avashyakatvena Anyatha Khyati Eva Eka Svikartavya Lagavat. Purvapakshi says then best is you just accept Anyatha Khyati only. It is only one, and it is Laghava. The Siddhanti has Aruchi. Iti Aruche he aha astu va. Now you see Tika first. Nanu. घटादि अधिकरण भूतल रूपादि निष्ठ घटा भावादेहे इंद्रिय असन्निकृष्टत्वात् कथम तद्गतो अभावो अत्र आरोप्यते इति आशंक्य अनिर्वचनीयत्वम अंगीकृत्य समाधत्ते. Now Siddhanti will say only one, anirvachaniya khyati only, no anyatha. Sannikrishta, asannikrishta, no two options. He will explain. Tika says, Ghata adhikarana bhutala. Ghata adhikarana is bhutala. Bhutala rupadi nishtha. Ghata bhava. So there is Ghata bhava. Ghata bhava dehe. Indriya asannikrishtatvat. That Ghata bhava is not accepted by Vedanti as Indriya sannikrishta. Indriya asannikrishtatvat. Katham tadgato abhavo atra aropyate. So then, Bhutalagata Abhava, how it is superimposed here in Bhutala? Iti Ashankya. Somebody will ask this question, how it is superimposed here? Means somewhere else there is Ghata Bhava, which you are seeing here, where there is Ghata. So there where there is Ghata Bhava, is it Indriya Sannikrishta or not? So according to Purvapakshi, what is in the vicinity of the Indriya Sannikarsha? That Indriya Sannikrishta area has Ghata. There is one Ghata there. So you are superimposing some other Ghata Abhava here. So how Indriya asannikrishtatvat katham tadgato abhavo atra aropya. That abhava, how are you superimposing here? Iti ashankya anirvachaniyatvam angikritya. Siddhanti says, okay, I will tell you anirvachaniya khyati answer. Samadhatte in moolam. Astuva pratiyogi mati tad abhava brahmasthale tad abhavasya anirvachaniyatvam. Astuva. Va means or, but this is better answer. Pratiyogi mati means Pratiyogi man is the Bhutala. Pratiyogi mati tad abhava brahmasthale. where there is abhava, abhava brahma, sorry, ghata abhava brahma, where there is ghata, which is the pratiyogi, ghata abhava brahma takes place, tad abhavasya anirvachaniyatvam. Ghata bhava is anirvachaniya here. Then Purvapakshi says, but how can abhava upadanam be maya? He said, tathapi tad upadanam maya eva. Even though it is abhava, upadanam will be maya. Upadanam is maya, therefore it is anirvachaniya. So that part is clear. But he says how maya upadanam and the vastu is abhava. Like maya upadanam we don't say for Shashashringa. Maya upadanam we don't say for Vandhyaputra because it is asat. So how do you say abhava vastu has maya upadana? Prokta dushanam uddharati. So this dushana uddhara he does. Siddhanti has to do now. Nahi upadana upadeyayoho atyanta sajat. Atyanta sajatyam. If there is extra sa, then you can remove. Upadana and upadeya, they don't have atyanta sajatyam. They don't need to have complete oneness. Upadana and upadeya. Tantu patayorapi tantutva patatvadina vaijatyat. Tantu has tantutva, pata has patatva. They are not sajatiya. Means karana has tantutva and karya has patatva. This is the bheda. So Siddhanti says same thing. Karya can be abhava, karana can be maya. Tika. ननु तयोः सर्वाकारेण साजात्य अभावे अपि यत्किंचित् साजात्यम अवश्यम अभ्युपेयम्. तयोः सर्वाकारेण साजात्य अभावे. Between them, सर्वाकारेण साजात्य is not there, accepted. But yatkinchit sajatyam avashyam abhyupeyam. Some sajatya has to be there, Purvapakshi says. Anyatha, otherwise, upadana upadeyatva sambandha itself will have vyaghata. Upadana upadeyatva vyaghata iti ashankya. Because if you say upadanam is wood and upadeya karya is suvarna, abhushana, this is complete virodha. Some saman sajatyam has to be there. यत्किंचित साजात्यस्य मायाया अनिर्वचनीयत्वस्य घटाभावस्य च मिथ्यात्व धर्मस्य विद्यमानत्वात्. Siddhanti says yatkinchit sajatyam is there. Maya has anirvachaniyatvam. Ghatabhava also is mithya. So mithyatva is in both. Maya also has mithyatva. Ghatabhava has mithyatva. Anyatha abhavasya mayopadana asambhave. If abhava does not have maya upadanatvam, vyavaharika ghatadi abhavam prati katham mayopadanam iti kuto na. What is the other reading? Shanketha or every book?
Ashanketa.
Then na ashanketha you will have to read. To put two khandakara there. A is upasarga, shanketaha is vidhiling madhyam purusha ekvachan. Siddhanti says, otherwise, why don't you ask this question also, that Vyavaharika Ghata Bhava, for that also, Maya has to be Katham Maya Upadanam. Vyavaharika Ghatadi Abhavam Prati Katham Maya Upadanam. But there you are not doubting. And here you are doubting how this Pratibhasika Ghatadi Abhava has Maya Upadana. Just as for Vyavaharik Ghata Bhava, Maya Upadanam, all Bhava Abhava, everything we say Maya Upadana. Pratibhasik Ghata Bhava also can have Maya Upadana. टीका ननु एवं ब्रह्मण एव जगद उपादानत्व संभवात् किमर्थम माया कल्प्यते इति आशंक्य. नाउ दिस इज this Shuddha Dvaitavada. He will say Brahma only. Why bring Maya and complicate? Shuddha Brahma. Shuddha Brahma means there is no Maya also. Evam Brahmana eva Jagad Upadanatva Sambhavat. See, Siddhanti Veda, Advaiti never says Brahma without Maya is Jagad Upadanam. Huh? He says Brahma without Maya is Jagad Upadanatva Sambhavat. Why you have to bring in Maya? Katham kimartham Maya kalpyate iti आशंक्य परिहरति. न च विजातीययोः अपि उपादान उपादेय भावे ब्रह्मैव जगद उपादानम स्यादिति वाच्यम. Even though they are vijatiya, don't say Brahma alone has to be jagad upadanam. Prapancha vibhrama adhishtanatva rupena tasya ishtatvat. Brahma is only prapancha vibhrama adhisthana. Adhisthana rupena it is ishta. Parinamitva rupasya upadanatvasya niravayave brahmani anupapattehe. Parinama is not possible in Brahma because Brahma is niravayava. Parinamitva rupasya upadanatvasya niravayave brahmani anupapattehe. Tika. Kim brahmano jagad upadanatvam anishtam apadyate. Kim va maya vayarthyam iti vikalpya adyam pratyaha. If you take Brahma as jagad upadanam, will you get any anishta apatti? So he says yes. Anishtam apadyate. What? Brahma cannot be parinami because it is niravayava. And your Maya will become vyartha. That's why you are trying to protect. He says no. Tathacha prapanchasya parinami upadanam Maya, na Brahma. Iti siddhanta, iti alam ati prasangena. Prapanchasya parinami upadanam is Maya. And Brahma is?
Vivarta.
Vivartakara.
You have to use the line which is given here. Adhishtanatva rupena.
Adhisthana.
Prapancha vibhrama adhishtanatva rupena tasya brahmana ishtatvat. In Mulam, 2 lines before. And Maya is parinami upadana. So niravayave brahmani parinamasya anupapannatve. Because niravayava Brahma cannot be parinami, therefore parinama belongs to Maya. Brahma is adhisthana. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.